In this video, I will be reviewing one of the trending brushes here in YouTube. And if you want to know where you can buy or where you can get the most affordable and the best deals online for your Christmas gifts, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's Mia here, helping you to know more about the products that you might be interested in purchasing soon. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by in this channel. I do haul videos, makeup reviews or product reviews, DIYs, and other lifestyle videos, so consider subscribing. This is the paddle brush that I got from Lazada, and if you've seen my haul video, I put a link in that description box ng video na yon. It was only 195 that time na pinost ko yung link, and then upon checking right now, it is now 181 pesos. So, expect nyo pa guys na bababa yung price. Super good news to kasi expect nyo na bababa pa yung price kasi Lazada will be hosting a 1-month-long celebration of what they call Lazada Online Revolution Sale from November 11 to December 12. So, this is the widest online sale in Asia. Ang kagandahan sa Lazada, you can choose free shipping, or they offer free shipping. If you are staying in Metro Manila, they will just deliver your product, and if you are in the province, you will just pay a certain amount of, or you will just get an amount of products na i-reach mo lang yon, I guess 1,000 something like that, and yon, if they deliver nila for free yung product, and if you don't have a credit card or you don't wanna go to the bank just to pay for your bills or yung binili mo, you can just choose the cash on delivery because that's what I always use. Cash on delivery kasi ayokong lumabas ng bahay. Moving on to the review of this brush. As you can see here, I am applying my liquid foundation, and kung mapapansin nyo, medyo matakaw siya sa product kasi napaka-dense talaga ng bristles niya. While applying, you will notice na how easy to blend yung product kasi madami siyang, you know, mga brushes or mga bristles. So, sobrang dali lang niyang i-blend. And I've noticed, meron siyang brush streak na minimal lang naman. But then, if you will go back to that brush streak and then blend it away, para ka lang gumamit ng blending sponge ang effect niya. So, parang airbrush effect ang pangyayari sa mga foundation mo. Ang isa pang nagustuhan ko dito at isang napansin ko, napaka-flexible ng neck area niya. Kaya kahit sa mga corners or sa mga small crevices ng ating face or parang dito sa mga nose area, ganyan, madali lang niyang i-reach kasi nabe-bend-bend mo lang yung neck part niya na hindi ka matatakot na mababali. Kasi nga, flexible siya. This is the foundation brush that I can recommend to you guys kasi number 1, affordable. Number 2, accessible kasi mabibili mo siya sa Lazada, and of course, laging sale doon, lalo na ngayong November to December 12. So, if you're planning to give a brush or any product na nandun sa Lazada, kasi sale sila ngayon. Magsi-sale sila November 11, tomorrow, because this video will be uploaded November 12. Starting tomorrow, they will be on a big sale. Soft ang bristles niya. Dense din ang bristles, so napaka-easy lang i-blend ang mga foundation or yung concealer. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin sa concealer. And most especially, madali siyang linisan. I have noticed, nung nilinisan ko siya, madaling natatanggal yung mga products sa kanyang bristles. Though, makapal yung bristles niya, madali pa rin nawawala yung mga brushes. And yung pagbabrush mo dun sa makeup remover thingy mo, madali lang sa kanya kasi igaganon mo lang talaga siya. Question of the day, what is your most favorite or ano yung hilig nyo na ginagamit sa pag-apply ng foundation nyo? Is it paddle brush? Is it kabuki brush? Or is it the flat foundation brush? Please let me know. For more updates, follow me in my Instagram and in my Facebook page. I usually post a lot of pictures and Instagram stories. I've been enjoying that one. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!